Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where this evening we're going to demo our table saw sled. Again, we appreciate your projects that you're sending in. We're making them for the Woodstock Fair coming up in June. Thank you guys for your orders. We really appreciate your patronage. But let's go ahead and show you some of the tricks of the trade. What we've made is a table saw sled. And what exactly is that? So for example, we want to make repeated cuts. We're making oak trim, which is going to go onto the unit that you can't see. We'll show you in a minute. But it's going to go on the front of the cabinet grade shelves that are in the bookshelf. So we made this on the router table, which you may have seen when I was panning by. So you may use this. You can see I put an oak board on here so that I have a little bit more room than your standard square. So let's go ahead and put that away. And show you the table saw sled. Every woodworker is going to want to make your own. You can buy them, but satisfaction of making your own is great. This is the back of the board here. If you turn it around, you'll be pushing it along the table saw sled like that. This is your fence. That's the heater again. I live in the Northeast, it gets cold. We have these clamps, which I can clamp down the stock on either end. That way I can just push the sled across, never have to worry about where my blade is. And another little trick is this. Let's go ahead and take off this momentarily. And this is how easy it is. Just drop it down and it slides in your table saw. Now we did an episode on SC Custom Designs on YouTube. Look that up on making this unit. So essentially, whether it's a thin piece like this little piece of trim here, or it's something that is 20 inches and 5/8, that's how much stock I can put this way. Infinite this way. To make my repeated cuts, I don't have to do much thinking here. This here was already measured out, so I'll drop it on the fence, take this piece, slide it up against, and the beauty, my fingers won't be anywhere near the blade. Not a chance that I'm going to get hurt. Okay? It's so safe that I can do this while we're videoing. Done. All right, let's show you where this is going. Here's the front of the shelf. In the back we have a piece of oak. Now this cabinet grade plyboard is not that thick, but I like the thinness of it. It looks really nice. Now we can take this piece here and affix it here, flush with the top, and on the bottom we have a little bit of stock that's going to hold the plyboard straight through the ears. When you're working and making products, you want them to last forever. I'm sure the customer will appreciate that. And that actually complements the back side of the trim. Once again, so all throughout the day, I'm taking this table saw sled, I'm putting it on and off my table saw because it really is versatile, and it cuts. I actually made the panels, the shelves, with the table saw sled. So, hey, thanks for watching S&C Custom Designs. God bless. Remember to come down to Woodstock, New York in June. It's 2017 now. And a lot of you guys have sent in ideas, and we're making those projects for you. So they'll be for sale down there. We really appreciate your patronage. God bless. And thanks for watching S&C Custom Designs, where we like to stay busy. And thank you.